For Honest HVAC services in Las Vegas, Nevada, turn to Honest HVAC. Committed to integrity and transparency, we provide reliable heating, ventilation, and air conditioning solutions for residential and commercial properties. Our skilled technicians offer expert installations, repairs, and maintenance, ensuring your HVAC system operates efficiently year-round. With upfront pricing and clear communication, we strive to exceed your expectations with every service call. Trust Honest HVAC for dependable solutions that prioritize your comfort and satisfaction. Experience the difference that honesty and professionalism can make for your HVAC needs in Las Vegas, Nevada, with Honest HVAC. Contact us today at Honest HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an Honest HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC. Who is Honest HVAC in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC is a reputable HVAC service provider serving the Las Vegas, Nevada area. What services does Honest HVAC offer in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC offers a wide range of HVAC services, including installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement for residential and commercial customers in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is your Honest HVAC for Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local Honest HVAC have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100,9205 West Russell Road Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honestthecompany.com/west-russell-spring-folly-installation-repair.